Okay, here's the top side of the roof area there, and I have no clue what they tried to do here. So I don't know if there's a stairway. They got to worry about this hip here going up. I can't imagine there being I don't know why this saddle's so big, but there's a big deviation from ridge to ridge here by about a foot. So instead of them just keeping this thing plumb and putting a triangle up here, they went ahead and formed it to meet at this. Why, I have no clue. That is a mess. So the only real, what needs to happen is that needs to come out. This has to be disassembled. The valley comes apart all the way up to the top, and the water needs to go past this valley line. You see the line of shingles? They need to go up and then be curved past that corner. So this has to have a diverter in there to get everything going that way. And this is what it's doing, is it's dying right where that ridge cap meets. So somebody created an unorthodox looking fiasco here, and I have no clue what's underneath there. But that's the only way that's going to get solved. Can't even side over that. Why it's not leaking, I don't know, but it would have leaked if we would have left it like this. This is where the beveled fascia is. We got to run strap-on gutter on here. There's about a good 14 foot here, and then we got another 8-footer there, 7-footer. So this isn't really an easy task here, but we can resolve it. It's just a shame that somebody left it like this. Somebody did not know what they were doing.